Hydrangea flowers are a familiar sight in gardens. Their bright colors and large blooms make them a favorite for gardeners. But beneath the surface, the hydrangea plant holds a secret. Its roots possess a long history of use in traditional medicine. For centuries, people have used hydrangea root for its potential health benefits. It's a powerful example of how nature can provide us with remedies. In recent years, scientists have begun to study hydrangea root. They're finding evidence to support its traditional uses. Hydrangea root has a long and rich history of use in traditional medicine, particularly in Native American cultures. Tribes like the Cherokee and Iroquois have used hydrangea root for generations. They used it to support urinary tract health and address bladder issues. These traditional practices highlight the long-standing belief in the plant's healing properties. Passed down through generations, this knowledge demonstrates the enduring legacy of hydrangea root in natural remedies. This traditional knowledge has piqued the interest of modern science. Today, scientists are beginning to understand why hydrangea root is so effective. Studies suggest that compounds in the root have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties could explain its traditional use for urinary tract health. Research also indicates that hydrangea root could potentially help with joint health. While more research is needed, these preliminary findings are promising. It's exciting to see scientific evidence supporting the wisdom of traditional practices. Section 4. Hydrangea root in your life. If you're interested in trying hydrangea root, it's available in various forms. You can find it as a dried root for teas, in capsules, or as a liquid extract. Always consult with a healthcare professional before adding a new supplement to your routine. They can advise you on the appropriate dosage and any potential interactions. Remember, natural remedies should complement, not replace, conventional medical treatments. Section 5. Embrace the power of nature. Hydrangea root is a testament to the power of nature. This unassuming root, hidden beneath beautiful blooms, holds remarkable potential for our well-being. As research continues to uncover its secrets, hydrangea root offers a natural path to supporting our health. By rediscovering and respecting traditional wisdom, we can unlock nature's medicine cabinet and embrace a holistic approach to health and wellness.